The two sets of fans are in voice for this Dream League live game. We've got an exciting match ahead.
They're going attacking with a 4-3-3 formation.
Well, let's get going with today's game. Neymar. Here's Lewandowski. It hit the post so close.
Oh, wayward pass, normally so accurate with his distribution. And the first player to end up in the book today, the first of many, I'd expect. It's Messi with the ball. That's good link-up play.
Haaland drives forward.
Ibrahimovic.
Great run by Lewandowski.
And he's clear of the defence, but can he finish it?
And that's how it's done.
Well, they've taken the lead, and I wonder now whether that'll give them some momentum for another goal.
Robertson. And back to the goalkeeper.
Is this the moment? Oh, it's there. They've equalised. The manager will really be pleased with his efforts for the goal. Let's hope for more of the same. And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got their goal. We're back underway.
And it's Ronaldo.
Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack.
They're struggling to string their passes together. Here's Ronaldo. He dribbles the ball forward. It's Messi. That's his second goal. Let's see that one again. He attempts a long pass. Played short. This is Haaland. He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all.
Tries his luck from distance.
He showed a bit too much to the opposition there.
He's got the goal in his sights.
Messi shoots. Alisson, fantastic stop. Here's the shot. Oh, what a goal! A deserved hat-trick. He's on another level. Let's take a closer look at that goal now. And the manager's making a change here. Well, a great first half. Let's hope the second half will be just as entertaining.
Well, I want to hang on to this lead and possibly try and add to it. Should be a really interesting second half.
They're moving the ball about so well. Now it's Vinicius.
Surely now! Inches away from goal.
It's Messi with the ball. This is Haaland.
They're winning, but they need to defend well here. Lovely passing here.
This team look eager for more goals, and it's looking likely they'll get them.
Rudiger with the challenge.
He's headed the ball forward. Great dribbling. The manager will be delighted with this performance.
Oh, they're in cruise control now. The game is surely all wrapped up.
Two players are coming on, they're shaking things up. He's taken it short. Benzema.
What a chance! Salah! Is this a goal? Mbappe.
We're into time added on now.
And there's the full-time whistle. The match has finished 3-1. No doubt in my mind with that decision. This player has been outstanding and deserves being named man of the match.